How to upload an emoji to your Discord server. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload an emoji to your Discord server easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Let's go to the homepage. Now choose your server. This is my server. Now click on those three dots here in the top corner, and now all what you have to do is go down and you will find upload emoji. From here, click on it and you will be able to upload an emoji just from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.